Today on the menu, whiting fish. Watch me cook it. I take my fish, I cut it up, clean it up, rinse it off, get my bite sizes all together. After I rinse it, I dry it, put it on a paper towel, make sure that all liquid's out of it. By the way, watch out when you're cutting and using sharp tools, and never use a butter knife. It won't work. So I add 3 cups of flour in a large mixing bowl. And I spice it up with that Deebo special mix. Always. Add some cornmeal, mix that up. Put that fish in, coat it real good with that fish fry mix. It's gonna be good, trust. Throw it in some hot grease. Make sure you got a deep pot or a fryer or even your skillet. And make sure you put enough grease in there to cover up the fish. You should be alright. Make sure you cook it for 3 minutes on each side, 5 minutes on each side if you want to cook it. It's gonna be good, trust me. I'm glad you enjoyed this. Hit that notification so you can see my next video. Deebo.